Good morning. Hi, I'm extremely sunburned. Don't ask why. So, welcome to another day at the beach. I already ate donuts, and yeah.
Hi, my name is Alex the Midget, and my goal in life is to be short. As you can see, I'm extremely short. Yeah, and my feet are invisible, and they're in my shoes right now. Watch, I can make them move. See, my foot's all the way up there. So I'm a midget. Stop recording. All right, everybody. Okay, I'm about to be free. Okay, I'm gonna be free. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can't get out. Break. Help. Okay. I can't get out. I'm one with the sand. Come on. Oh, I see skin. Come on, this sucks. Okay, stop recording, please. Okay. Okay. Guys, I made it out finally. Yeah. Okay.
Let's go to the ocean. Wash off. Yes?
Oh,
Still recording.
this is mine. Please stop.
We're right now on the boardwalk, right? Yeah. Okay. There's an Army-Navy ship over there. Okay, guys. I got an Oscar. Anyways, I got an Oscar for I got an Oscar for Best Blank Award. Yeah. I also got this spoon. How great! But it was like under the car seat. Hey, thank you. Wow.